Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare potassium salt versus sodium salt. We'll dive into the fundamental differences between these two common compounds, often used in our diets. Understanding their unique properties is crucial for making informed decisions about your health and nutrition. We'll explore their chemical makeup, their roles in the human body, and how they impact our well-being. Let's get started on this important comparison. Sodium chloride, commonly known as table salt, is a staple in most kitchens. It's vital for nerve function and maintaining proper fluid balance in the body. However, consuming too much sodium can lead to health concerns, including elevated blood pressure. Many processed foods contain high levels of sodium, making it easy to exceed recommended daily limits. It's important to be mindful of your intake for optimal health. Potassium chloride is frequently used as a sodium substitute, offering a way to reduce sodium intake without sacrificing flavor. This compound is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting proper muscle and nerve function. Many individuals do not consume enough potassium in their diets, making potassium-rich foods or substitutes beneficial. It provides a salty taste while contributing to overall cardiovascular health. The primary distinction lies in their impact on blood pressure and fluid balance. While sodium can contribute to hypertension, potassium actively helps to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Sodium is prevalent in processed items, whereas potassium is abundant in natural foods like bananas and avocados. Opting for potassium salt can be a beneficial dietary adjustment for those looking to improve their cardiovascular well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.